Well, folks, it's official. Microsoft Authenticator is pulling the plug on password and autofill. And if you've been using it like a digital vault, this is your early eviction notice. So grab your CSVs and say your goodbyes. Here's what's going down and what you need to do before July 1st and how not to lose every password you've saved in the last 10 years. All right, so Microsoft Authenticator, that free little app you've trusted with all your two-factor codes and autofill dreams, is depreciating its autofill password feature. Starting June 2025, you won't be able to save new passwords into the app. And by July 2025, autofill is done, dead, gone, retired, shipped off to join Internet Explorer in Microsoft Heaven. Now, when you open the application, you're going to see a big full screen banner warning you to export your passwords or switch to, surprise, Microsoft Edge, because nothing says secure like nudging you into a browser you didn't ask for. Okay, so let's break down the you're losing features, whether you like it or not, timeline. June 2025, you can't save new passwords into the app, so this month. Next month, July 2025, autofill will stop working. And by August 2025, your passwords will vanish from the app like they never existed. They'll be gone like Clippy, but less missed. Okay, so here's what you need to do before Microsoft Authenticator turns into a glorified QR scanner. Option 1 would be use Microsoft Edge. So when you open the Authenticator app and you get that notification, you'll see a button that says Turn on Edge. It leads you to set Edge as your autofill provider. Your passwords will now be accessible in Edge, synced via your Microsoft account, okay? A bonus to this would be Edge offers things like password monitor and in-private search, so it's not all bad. Still feels like a bit of a trap though. Option 2, export your passwords. So you can go into the Authenticator app, go to your settings, export your passwords, save them as a CSV file, and then you can import them into something better like 1Password or another browser if you're going to use Firefox or Chrome or whatever browser you plan on using, okay? Pro tip here, do not leave that CSV file just chilling in your downloads folder. That's like writing down your ATM PIN number and taping it to your bank card. Not a good idea. So in conclusion, if you're using Microsoft Authenticator for autofill, get your passwords out before July 1st or prepare for digital amnesia. Edge fans, you're in luck. Everyone else, well, it's time to find a new home for your credentials. Give this video a thumbs up if you've ever lost a password and then swore you'd start using a password manager and then didn't. And definitely hit that subscribe if you want more updates, how-tos, Microsoft shenanigans delivered whenever they happen, and no password required for this. You just got to hit the subscribe down below. Let me know in the comments which tool you're switching to, if you plan on using Edge, maybe another password manager, and I will see you all on the next one.